Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 27 under Test of Orals Section 2. Now the instruction is from the words lettered A to D. Choose the words that has the same consonant sound or sounds as the one represented by the letter or letters underlined. So the word given to us is diesel and the letter underlined is S. So option A is boys, B is dicey, C is salty, D decor. So I would first transcribe the word given to us and then transcribe each of the options. So we will pick out the consonant sound represented by the letter S in diesel and then see the option which contains the same consonant sound. So the word given to us, diesel, is transcribed this way. So you can see that the letter S in diesel represents this Z consonant sound. So option A, boys, is transcribed this way. Option B, dicey, is transcribed this way. Option C, salty, is transcribed this way. And option D, decor, is transcribed this way. Decor. So from the options we have transcribed, you see that option A, which is boys, contains this consonant sound, which is the same consonant sound you have represented by the letter S underlined in the word diesel. So the correct answer to the question is A, boys. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.